Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Tunisian double C stitch. I'm not sure if you can see it clearly, but it's really lovely stitch. I share a video about basic Tunisian stitch. You can see it here now. If you're a new beginner, please at first watch this video and then you can make this one easily. For this one I use this yarn and 7mm crochet hook with that. And now I will use this one because it's easy to work with and easy to show the model. Okay, and I will use this Tunisian crochet hook. I told you this more than one time. I think that's 6mm. I'm not sure. But I recommend you to use a bigger crochet hook to work easily. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and we can start. I will start with a slip knot and we will make some chains. It's not important how many chains you have, but it must be an even number. Okay. I can start now. For a basic Tunisian work, we'll take some loops from these chains. Okay, insert my hook into that second chain from the hook and take a loop and take a loop, take a loop. Keep making like that. Okay, I like to use this back loops because it looks better like that, and skip this first one because this is our first loop, and insert my hook from the next one and take a loop, take a loop, just collect all the loops. It's too hard to use this hook while recording. And sorry for these tic-tacs. I don't have a short Tunisian hook. My cats start to work again. I don't know what are they doing now, but you see, it will look like that. Like. And now we will turn back. Take the yarn and pull it from the first loop. We will only make this for this last loop. Okay, we will always make the same thing. Take one loop and now yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops. For the rest, we will take 2 loops. Yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops. That was the last one. And now we will make a knit stitch and purl stitch. We will start with a knit stitch. You see, that's my loop. It has 2 legs, and I will insert my hook between these 2 legs and take the yarn from back to front. Okay, that's a knit stitch. And now I will make a purl stitch. First I will take the yarn like that, yarn over, insert my hook into that first leg, front leg, and leave this yarn like that. We take the yarn front, okay? You can put your finger here, yarn over and pull it through. That's a purl loop, and now I'll make a knit stitch and purl. Knit, purl. Knit, and the last one is purl. And when you came here, we will take this we will take this both loops, okay? Insert my hook here, yarn over and pull it through. I will turn back now, yarn over and pull it from first loop, yarn over, pull it through from 2 loops, okay? If we count this one for beginning row, and this is our first row, and we will repeat this row again. You can see it like that. Row 1 and 2 we will make the same thing. Row 3 and 4 we will make the same thing again. And then we will turn to this row 1. I will repeat the row 1. That's my first stitch, and I will insert my hook into that next one and make a knit stitch. Then take the yarn like that, insert my hook into that stitch, leave the yarn and pull it through. Make a knit stitch, actually, if you keep repeating the same row, this row 1 again and again, it's ribbing. You can make a brim for your beanies like that. And that's the last one. And I will make the same thing here and turn back. That's first one, 2, 2, 2. Now I finish. Now at the row 3, we'll make the same thing again, but not in the same place. You see there's a knit stitch. I will make a purl stitch here. So yarn over like that. Insert my hook here and take a loop here. And into that purl stitch we will make a knit stitch. Insert my hook between these 2 loops and take the yarn. Purl, knit, purl, knit. And last one is a knit stitch. I will finish this row too. And one more row. I will repeat this row 3. I will make a purl stitch, knit stitch, purl, knit. You see, it's easy, and with a bulky yarn or chunky yarn, it will look so nice, like that. And you can use it for your jumpers, beanies, anywhere you want. Actually, it looked nice with this yarn too. I'll turn back and show you how to bind off. I will use this hook now. I really miss it. We complete our 4 rows and we will make the same row here. We'll start with a knit stitch and then purl stitch, okay? And how we close this one, you see I have a purl stitch here, and I will make a slip stitch. You can close it with a slip stitch or single crochet. It's up to you. For this first one is a purl stitch. You see, I like to make it like that. And for this knit stitch, I like to take the yarn front. Take the yarn and make a slip stitch. We will make it like we made the knit stitch, but only difference is we will insert our hook from this leg. Okay, take the yarn, make a slip stitch, and for this knit stitch, take the yarn front, take the loop, and make a slip stitch. And I like to close it like that. If you want, you can make single crochet too, just like that. Insert your hook here, take the yarn, and yarn over and pull it through from both loops. Then, for this knit stitch, take the yarn over and pull it through. You can make it like that too. I will finish it now. And for the last one, I will insert my hook here and make a slip stitch. You see, it's like that. You can make a regular slip stitch if you want to. And that's it. I hope you like it. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tunisian Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there and you can write comments below. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.